Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, we're gonna be going to TikTok, and in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to fix the missing photo mode on TikTok. It's quite a mystery, and if you're wondering what photo mode is, like how I was wondering before I made this video. So actually, oh my god, I'm showing my face. So actually, you get to upload pictures on TikTok and compile them and turn them into a video. If you use auto cut down here, TikTok will magically turn these pictures into an amazing videos with weird effects. Yeah, it's quite neat actually. But now let's say you don't have that kind of feature. Let's go and tell that to TikTok by heading over to settings and privacy, report a problem. And now we're gonna be searching for an issue, but no, we don't need that. Let's just head over to our submit a report button down here. Click on that and now let's tell daddy TikTok, hey TikTok, I don't have photo mode available on my I almost typed YouTube. Oh my god, I'm gonna be caught as a spy. I don't have photo mode available on my TikTok app. I hope this problem can be resolved, and soon. I really need it. Yeah, just show TikTok support team that you really need it. Yeah, just tell them. And I heard people get this problem fixed within less than 30 minutes if you do that. Yeah, that is how you can fix your missing photo mode problem on TikTok. Just tell TikTok everything. That if you have problems on anything regarding TikTok, just head over and submit a report, and it should help you. That is how you get your photo mode back, hopefully on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe with it. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.